Imagine you have hundreds of students record and someone asks you, show me only food science students. Now show only those with marks above 70. Now only failed student. If you do this manually, it takes time. But in this video, I will show you how to do all of this instantly using the filter function in Excel. Here I have a data set of students. We have roll numbers, name, department, gender, city, marks, status either pass or fail. This is a typical real-world dataset you might see in schools, universities, or any administrative system. Now imagine that this dataset is not 20 students but 2000 students. If I want to find only food science students or only students above 70 marks or only students with failed status, doing this manually again and again is inefficient. This is where filter function becomes extremely powerful. The filter function allows you to extract specific data based on condition. For example, here in this cell, I'll write equal filter, and in the syntax you can see that first I need to provide the array. So I'll select all the data set by pressing Ctrl Shift right arrow and then the down arrow. After this I need to give the condition. If I'm going to search by department, then I need to select the department column, and after this I'll write equal, and in inverted commas I'll write BS Food Science. I'll close the parentheses and hit enter. Now this will give me the record for only BS Food Science students. Now let's filter students who have marks greater than 70. For this purpose, here I'll write equal filter. I'll select the array, and this time because I'm going to filter using the marks, so I'll select this marks column, and the condition is the student with the marks greater than 70. So I'll write greater than 70, close the parentheses and hit enter. So this time I get the list of the students with the marks more than 70. Now let's filter only the female students. Again I'll write equal filter. I'll select the array. This time I'll select the gender column. After that I'll write equal, and in inverted commas I'll write female, close the parentheses and hit enter. Again, instant result, no manual sorting required. If you found this useful, make sure to like the video, comment what you want to learn next, subscribe for more Excel tutorials, and remember, work smart in Excel, not hard. See you next time.